Hi everybody, I'm very happy to meet you again. I hope you are doing very well. We have been member of Objectif Santé here too because of our goals, because of our health. In the first video, we talk about how to choose what we are going to eat. It depends exclusively on us. In the second, we talk about our body's vacations. You may have a rest. Welcome to Objectif Santé, your well-being channel, which is giving you the law to respect. And when you respect them, you will be okay all the time, and you will have a long age. The human is the result of what he thinks, what he says, and what he does every time. If you are more positive, if you visualize your project where you want to be, if you oxygenate your brain well, you will have a perfect mental solution. How to develop perfect limb health? See the example and back to the conclusions. Now let's learn to concentrate. Concentration is the perfect way to positive thinking. We will make the example of the sound which raises us. I positioned colors from my head to head to facilitate understanding of the sailing sound. This sound change colors with each step. How to proceed? We will apply the four essential elements for good concentrations. First, I take the positions where I am, and the head, I come down. I may be free. I may be relaxed in the position I chose. Second, this is the breath. Inhale in plenty of air and block it for 3 minutes and exhale it. Second, inhale plenty of water, air, for instance, and that may full all your organism. Block it, wait some minutes, and exhale it. Do this as many times as you want. You can't keep your air open, or you can close your eyes. Choose what suit you want. Do it. That depends on you. First, start visualizations. You will visualize the air that you breathe. When you inhale, imagine its trajectory. The air will flood your entire body. Body will enter in your brain, in your lymph. Feel your heart. Feel your liver. Feel your arms. and foot you struck here for a free moment. Afterward, you exalt the air feeling rich wash that has been taken from the different organs. You visualize the air resigning. Toxins wash and sick go back to the lymph. You exalt the filled air, the hot air outwards through your mouth. Gradually, you are emptying yourself of all illness. First, you will now visualize the sun passing through you. Here, you visualize the sun going away from where it is and handing the heart by heart. Here, the sun represents the fires, which will burn away all pernicious disease. This fire will change colors. Disease is crossing. We put our foot on the ground. It will be better to take off your shoes. The heart is a magnet. It will suck up everything what the fire sun has melted during our crossing. From the first step, you will inhale and exhale air. Air is the first essential element to balance our thought. For first element is fluid, the water. We are 70% made up of water. This water included blood, lymphatic fluid, plasma, and it's a water that allows our body to move easily. This practice will cleanse the water, the air, the ground, and the fire that constituted has. So, we will make the example. The white sand falls on my head. It melts away all the illness in my brain. The white sand frees me from stress. The white sand frees me from insomnia. The white sand continued its march. And we are going to the second step. The sun will pass through my entire spine. It will strengthen my heart. The sound changes colors. It becomes blue. The blue sound turns, become salting. The blue sound cleans the entire digestive tract. The blue sound restores digestive transit. And the blue sound continued its journey in my eyes. It changed also colors. The sound became turned in red. The red sound cleaned all illness from the kidney, from the bones, and the red sound entered to heart with all my illness. Imagine you recover. This is the visualization of healing. It easy practice. Practice this several times a day. You will see. You will become the one that everyone wish for and that you realize. The world belongs to us. Let's stop the world, our positive things, and we will create it the best world positive. There is heart. Believe in yourself. You live happily. A fearful person is sick. A sad person is sick. And negro person is also sick. An essentially happy person is also sick. These four ugly feelings are manipulated by our four to think. If you master these four nasty feelings, you will master your thinking. You will master your orientations, and no one on earth will be able to take away your joy. Here is the first condition of longevity. We summarize. First, choose to eat well. Your food depends on you. Depend on you. Second, give holidays to organs by fasting. Stop eating and your organ will repair himself. First, develop positive thinking. You may fight against negatively all the time. Negatively is the beginning of sickness, is beginning of your failing. See you in the first video for the first notice. Thank you very much and see you soon.